Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about what to do if the mobile data isn't working in your POCO C85. At first go to the settings and here go to mobile networks. Here when I need to lower the brightness level, you should see the mobile data over here. If you have it disabled, enable that. But if you have it enabled, disable, enable it back again. This should fix your issue. But if it didn't, tap your SIM card at the top, tap access point names, and here you should have checked this first one, general internet code. Here. This is this good one. Now everything should work fine, but if it doesn't, I'd recommend to check the insertion of the SIM card. First off, this needle, which is the SIM card tray needle ejector, and we have to put this needle here into this hole. Use some force because this is this type of the SIM card trace. And now here, as you can see, here we do have our SIM card. Try changing its position a little bit, or try changing the ports from SIM1 to SIM2. Everything should make a difference. Then you can push it back into your phone, of course, very softly, and now you can unlock it back again. Now your phone should work. But what if it doesn't? Now we have to hold the volume down and power button till we see the power menu. Here and now hold the finger down to restart your phone. Everything should work now. Now let's wait until our phone is rebooted. Now as you can see, our phone is rebooted and now we can unlock it. Your issue should be now fixed, but if it isn't, scroll from the top to the bottom so that you can see the control panel and prolong that. Here you should have defaultly the airplane mode. Tap that to enable the airplane mode and wait a moment. After a few seconds you can disable the airplane mode. Now everything should work fine, but if it doesn't, go into settings, tap search settings, search for reset. As you can see, I've searched for reset earlier, and now you should see reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and Bluetooth. Tap that and tap mobile data, reset settings, and now remember that every single Wi-Fi network, every single Bluetooth device I have paired, and all mobile data settings you have made will be changed and resetted to the default ones. So you have to add these settings back again and hit them. Now everything should work fine, but if it doesn't, contact the carrier to verify the data plan because something may be wrong with your SIM card or carrier. I don't really think that your hardware should be wrong. To test the hardware, test the SIM card on the other phone. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like at this video. It's very important to us to have your feedback. And as I said, that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!